Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois, bringing you a do-it-yourself video on how to change out the brakes on a late model BMW. Most of these brakes are going to look very similar and the procedures are going to be largely the same. Some brakes right here, going on this 2016 K1600 GT. My dream bike, by the way. Such a nice bike. It's not mine. I wish it was mine because I really like this bike. However, I'm going to change the brakes on it because the guy wore them out. Okay, what you're going to need for this job, now I've removed the wheel because I'm changing the tires on this bike. You do not need to even remove the calipers to do this job. It's easier to do the job, but it's not necessary. So if you don't have any tools, any real tools to get the calipers off, get the wheel off, all that stuff, you don't have to do that. What you're looking for here though is a 3mm socket or just an Allen wrench of some kind. So we're going to take this little protective cover off of here. Now, as I mentioned, you can do this right on the bike. The only difficulty in doing it right on the bike is that it's hard to spread the pads out without getting into your rotor. It's really a lot easier if you do take the caliper off and you just go about it like this. Don't lose these little screws. This thing is universal, so it can go on this way or that way. You're not going to mess anything up. And what you want to do here is get these pads spread apart. Now, I'm going to use a screwdriver because these old pads are worn out all the way, and I'm just going to wedge the screwdriver inside there and give it a twist and allow the pads to get fully spread apart. They do make a tool for this, and I have the tool, but this tool is a good enough tool in my hand right now. Next, you're going to need to pull out this little pin that's right here. There's a little hair clip, a little cotter clip, I guess it's called, right there. Don't lose it. Put it inside of a magnetic tray or something so you don't lose it. And then you're going to push or move. You can see this little pin that comes out now. I'm going to pull that pin out. There we go. Pulled the pin out. Now the brake pads will just fall right out in your hand. Right, there they are. Go ahead and replace your new pads back into the same spot. You can see I've got the wrong pads out here for this. Have to go get the other ones. The other bikes that this is very similar with is the BMW ones. A lot of them have this pad in them, but I stock all sets. Anyway, just reverse what you've done. Pump the brakes up before you get moving, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Later, guys.